Hello everyone and welcome back to Algebra 1. Today we are continuing with concept number 4, which is factoring a trinomial in the format of ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Now, today we're going to be following the same steps, but being mindful of something new. As you can see here, we have a negative, meaning that in this case, or this time around, we're going to have to be mindful of our signs. Okay? So, let's start off with our example. Our first step is to combine by multiplying a and c, which in this case equals negative 45. What we're going to be doing now is factoring 45. So, the factors of 45 are 1 and 45. I believe 2 does not go into 45. 3 does. 3 times 15 equals 45. Okay, 3 times 15. Then we have 4. We have 5 times 9 equals 45. And then 6, 7, 8, 9. I believe these are all our factors for 45. Now, as we normally would, we need to find out which combination of factors will give us 4x. Not just 4x, a positive 4x and a negative 45. So one of our two factors has to be negative and one has to be positive. In order for when we're multiplying them, we have negative 45, and for when we are adding them, we have a positive 4. So if we were to, now we know if we multiply all of these, they'll give us 45. So we would just need to make one of these two factors negative. First, let's find out which one would give us 4. We combine 1 and 45, it'll give us 46 if they're both positive. Meaning that if they were both negative, they would both have negative 46. So if we had a negative 1 times a positive 45, it'll give us a negative 45, but it'll also give us a positive 44, not just the 4. So that's not it. Now, let's move on to 3 and 15. We have a negative 3, and we add it to 15, that would just give us 12. And if we had a negative 15 and a positive 3, that would give us negative 12. Again, not what we're looking for. If we had a negative 5 and we add it to 9, that would actually give us a positive 4. So, this is what we are looking for. A positive 9 and a negative 5. Okay? So, now that we know that that is what we're looking for, let's go ahead and break down our trinomial. So broken down, it would be 3x squared plus 9, or I can just start by putting negative 5x plus 9x minus 15. Be mindful of your signs. It's easy to get confused. Okay? Now again, we're going to be grouping this and this. Now, I know my greatest common factor here is going to be 3x. No. Actually, my greatest common factor here is only going to be x, because there is now one number that goes into both of these numbers. So it will just be x. And I'm left with 3x minus 5. In this case, my greatest common factor would be 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times, so I would have 3x. And 3 goes into 15 5 times, so minus 5. Now again, I group my numbers, x plus 3 and 3x minus 5. As always, we can check our answer. Let's go ahead and do that by making some space. Let's do that right here. X plus 3 and 3x minus 5. Let's use FOIL. That gives us 3x squared minus 5x plus 9x minus 15. Combining like terms, this gives me 3x squared plus 4x minus 15. Do my trinomials match? Yes, they do. Therefore, that is our answer. Let's go on into an example for your assignment today. Very well. This is going to be your assignment for today. Please make sure to include a picture of your notes as well as the assignment question for today. If you have any questions or something didn't seem clear, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.